guys, we're here at Green Serenity.
We celebrated my Lola's birthday at this peaceful and spacious farm in San Ildefonso, Bulacan. If you're curious about the rates, eto na, share ko na agad sa inyo. I-pause nyo na lang yung video. Ang nirent namin is itong garden villa which is good for 18 packs na.
Happy birthday, Lola Cory!
Ito naman yung sa 2 cabins which is good for 12 packs. Bawat sulok ng resort is very Instagrammable and sobrang na-enjoy ng mga adults namin na kasama ang mag-picture-picture kahit saan. Meron silang designated area for bonfire na katapat ng billiard. O diba, ito lang yung role ko, ang picturean sila sa lahat ng sulok. Meron silang kiddie pool, pero ito lang yung downside kasi yung adult pool nila is 7 feet, so medyo malalim. Ito naman yung pavilion nila which is dito located yung videoke and also merong mini dirty kitchen. You can enjoy the farm view habang nag-iihaw ka ng mga liempo, bangus, or isda, etc. And para sa mga fur parents, they are pet friendly. Ito po ang may-ari ng bahay, si Doña Perla. Ito po ng bahay niya, Doña. Ito naman yung view kapag nasa second floor ka ng garden villa.
Lola! Lola! Masaya ka ba? Ang tanong. Masaya ka ba, Lola?
This is the pool kapag gabi na. So, meron silang pailaw sa pool. And also, sobrang tahimik na kapag gabi na. Here's my dog na sobrang takot sa water. Ayaw niya mabasa. Kapag pagod ka na, you can just sit sa sala nila and enjoy the view ng bahay. Sadly, hindi kami nakapag-bonfire kasi umuulan the whole day. You can still use the karaoke sa gabi pero until 10 PM lang.
Yung si Jaren, nasa taas ba?
Oh, ba't 67? Baliktad! Wait guys, kantahan muna natin si Lola ng happy birthday. I thank the Lord for my Lola's life and my wish for her is good health and longer life pa. And also, magba-birthday kami ng pamangkin ko sa July, so nag-load din kami ng cake. So that's all guys for this mini vlog for my Lola's birthday. If you want to book Green Serenity, just message them on their Facebook page. Thank you for watching this video.